Stampin Sharon. I am bringing you a really simple little note card today. You know, sometimes we just need to write a note to somebody for no reason. I hope you enjoy my video. I would love it if you would share it with your friends. And if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, you can do so below. I always appreciate any comments that you guys give me. And I always reply to them. So I would love to hear your thoughts on this really simple card. Let me show you. Here is my card. Super simple, super easy. I used the Wishing You Well stamp set that I think has so many potentials. I mean, of course it meets all my criteria of images and sentiments. I'm using the Old Olive stamp pad and crushed curry. Done a little watercoloring in that one. Turn these around so I can see. Did y'all know that the labels that come on the back, you can peel off the very bottom one and put it in this little tray right here so that you know what ink pad you're using, because honestly, these look the same in color. So that's a great tip, and if I haven't shared that with you, I just did. I have a piece of Whisper Wet, and I'm going to ink that up with the Old Olive. And don't worry about the dimensions. I'm going to share that with you in the description below. Next, I'm going to take the little flowers and I'm going to ink up the crushed curry. Just a little pop of flowers. I have the little sentiment here that says just a note. And we're going to stamp that. Well, we're going to stamp that one right here because I put my image down too low. So let me show you the original card. On this card, I put it down here. So, you know, it's all good, right? Every time you make a card, it doesn't always have to be the exact. I'm going to add some snail. I have a piece of the Harvest Designer Series paper, and on the back side, I always love the back side of our Designer Series paper because while this pattern doesn't fit what I'm doing, I always look for the backs to see if I have a little slight pattern, but the color that I'm wanting. I have a piece of Whisper White thick cardstock that I've already cut and scored. Pop this on with some dimensionals. If I can ever help you in any way with your Stampin' Up! Supply needs, I would be so honored. You can always visit my store below in the link below. And once you land on my store, there is, up in the top right-hand corner, there's a button that says Contact Me. And you can send me your questions if you want to be added to my newsletter. So yeah, that's a great way for you to reach out to me and let me know how I can better serve you. Okay, I told you it was fast. I love the colors, don't you? I sure hope y'all liked my Just a Note card today. There's so many reasons that sometimes I just need to send a note card, so I was happy to make this one. I can't wait to read your comments about this easy card, and I just want to say, happy stamping, y'all.